Hello guys, welcome to the episode 43 of this playlist on creating the web API and consuming it with MVC in ASP.NET Core 3.1. I shall walk you through the creation of the AddOrder Action Methods, get, add, post. These episodes and the code base are built in continuation from the previous ones. Hence, I request you to go through them before coming to this one. And I also request you to subscribe to the channel and share it with like-minded. And with this video, I wish you all the best for a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And let's switch over to now the learning outcomes of this video. Like we did for the add customer action methods in the customer controller, now we are going to repeat the same process in the order controller. So by the end of this lecture, we shall be able to create AddOrder HTTP GET action method to return a view for adding an order, and an AddOrder HTTP post action method to add a customer order details to the database. Because I'm saying customer order details because every order has got a customer ID. So order is attached to a particular customer only, and they cannot live in isolation without a customer. So there is a one-to-many relationship, is that one customer can have one-to-many orders, and one order is only belongs to one customer. So let's flip over to Visual Studio now. So below the get order, I'll have to write the add order HTTP get and post. Now the easiest and the shortest way to write this is just go to the customer controller, double click and open the customer controller, put it besides the order controller in a new vertical document tab group, and just copy and paste the relevant add customer methods HTTP get and HTTP post, and then change wherever there is a customer, just change it to order, and that's it, you're done. So I'll just show you. I think you get the idea. So here it is add customer, exactly it will be add order method, which returns a empty form or order form with the get request. When the request for this action method, ASP action add order happens, it returns a order form to be filled for an order to be created. And similarly HTTP post, let's copy this one and change the bits. Copy it, come back to here. You can now even close this tab, and below the HTTP get method, you can make a HTTP post, and where there is add customer, you make it add order. It's as simple as that. And this is order, and this is order object instead of customer, and it is the smart way of doing things. Okay, so if model state dot is valid, blah blah blah, var HTTP client equals new HTTP client, so I'll have to replace this with order, which is given to this action method through the parameter. And this part is the same, encoding is UTF-8 in the application /JSON, and then here also instead of the URI should go to the point to the order, okay, with O capital. Now this part you might keep the front slash, or you may omit this front slash, it doesn't matter, because this is not concatenation. This is, you can try it, we'll try it while we browse to this URI, that whether you put a front slash after the controller, and if it is not appended with any ID or anything, then it's all right. And this is not an appending, this is just a second parameter to this post async action method. So this is order again, and instead of customer order type, and also I will get a return view of order. So if the model state is not valid, then return view empty. Okay, otherwise return view with the order object formed over there. It's as simple as that. I think we have already explained it many times, so I'm just leaving it to you to revise the things, and if you have any questions, put it in the discussion forums. So we'll build this application again. At the moment you cannot see any functionality because I have to add the view, add order view also, to be able to show you how the order is added to the database. So build is succeeded. So in this lecture I've been able to create the AddOrder action methods for HTTP GET and HTTP POST verb.